Welcome to Tech Leveler. I'm Lee and I'm going to show you how to change your alarm sound. So first things first, what you want to do is actually open up the clock app. Now with the clock app open, you want to select the alarm tab here at the bottom. Now with the alarm tab open, you can either press edit in the top corner here and then select the alarm that you want to edit to change the sound of, or you can press directly on the alarm that you want to change, and this will both bring up the same page. Now at the bottom here you'll see sound. You want to tab into that. Now you can go to the tone store or download and purchase tones to change a tone that you've purchased, or if you have them on your iPhone you can select pick a song, and anything in your library you can add these as your alarm sound, or you can select any of the default here at the bottom. If you select none, no alarm sound will go off and it will only vibrate. So you have a whole host of different ones to choose from. You can press back, and then what you want to do is press save. And that is how to change your alarm sound on your iPhone. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give the video a like and smash the subscribe button. If you want to see more hidden features on the clock app, including the stopwatch, timer and the world clock, then check out this video here. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.